Hi, are you trying to buy a new home before you sell your old home, but need the equity to make it all work? Are you wondering what is the 411 on bridge loans and where you can even find the info?
Well, welcome to our All About Bridge Home Loans video series. Getting a bridge loan is very complicated and has a lot of moving parts, and you definitely need a team that understands them, can explain them, and know how they work to make it all come together.
True that. Now, there are two pieces when we look at bridge loans. The first is, do you qualify for the payments, the current and the new mortgage, plus all of your debts? And do you have the cash to make it all work within the bridge loan without selling your current home?
Often we are asked, are there any alternatives to the bridge loans?
Yes, this is true. We get asked this a lot, and there actually are some alternatives to doing a bridge loan. The first alternative to doing a bridge loan and buying the new home before you sell the old home is not to buy before you sell at all. Instead, make an offer contingent on you selling your current home. Have your agent put the appropriate dates in the contract and ask the seller to wait for your current house to sell. And then you can close on the new house with what we call a contingency offer, and then you don't have to use a bridge loan. Another alternative is to put your house on the market and get an offer. Once that offer has cleared all the contingencies, including financing, you can get an addendum. And that addendum states that the sale is clear of all financing contingencies, and that will remove the need to sell the house for your debt to income ratio. Then you will need to have your own money and have enough money to do a minimum down payment on the new home to close prior to your selling. Now you can use your savings, you can borrow from your 401k, use some cash investments, or you can even get a gift. The third option could be you could get a HELOC or a second line of credit on your current home. However, this is something that you really need to pre-plan for because it needs to be in place probably 7 months at least prior to putting your home on the market. Most banks and lenders will not do a HELOC or a second on a home that is listed for sale. And many lenders are hit with a buyback fee if the loan pays off within 6 months of them originating a loan. So most of them don't want to do a loan if it's only going to be short term because we have a penalty and have to pay a fee back to the banks when they close early. So there you have it. Those are alternatives.
And these are some options to look at when deciding if you want to do a bridge loan or not. Most important, get with a qualified lender who understands the process and how bridge loans work, and get the information to make the best decision for your family and for your future goals and dreams.
If you or anyone you know might need a bridge, please let us know. And don't forget to watch our whole series on bridge loans and follow Slam Dunk Home Loans on social media, like our video, leave us a comment if you have anything else you want to hear about. And I am Stacy.
And I'm Dennis.
And we are Slam Dunk Home Loans.